Hey, Nicholas back. Another outside video for you. Just a quick catch up really. Only a few more weeks until Co-Club finishes for this term, which is a bit of a pity. And some of my students have run out of stuff to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to do Moonhack 2018. Because on the 20th of July, I think it's, or 20th, I think that's 20th, is a celebration of landing on the moon. Okay. So there's quite a few projects. If you go over to www.moonhack, I think it's .com, but don't quote me on it, there's lots of projects for your students to cover there really. There's Scratch-Jnr, Python and some microbit ones. So if you've got older students like me, it'll probably be pretty good for them. And they'll rather like it. So we're going to move along. Anyway, back on the subject, where was I? Oh yeah, Moonhack. So I've just moved locations, so the picture doesn't get too boring for you. I've done a video down here a while ago, but the water was a lot stronger then, and now there's hardly anything here. As you can see, this is just a cattle bridge to the other side over there. Yeah. Anyway, Moonhack, yes. The Scratch project is for making a moon lander and simulating gravity on the moon. And there's also an extra one for a Mars landing and lander with thrusters, etc. The Python is a text-based game, which you do in Trinket, so you don't need no special tools. And also the microbit one is also a lander game, obviously using the online coder, which so you don't have to actually have a microbit to do it. You can just use the online code and use it in the simulator, which is fantastic. So there's before the end of the term, there's some new bits for you to do. Unfortunately, most of the schools break up before the 20th, so you can't actually do it on the day because they want everybody to do it on the day, which is unfortunate, but hey. As you can hear, now the helicopter's gone. It's quiet. Now, when we've had a bit of rain, this is not like this, okay? It's a lot faster. Awful lot faster. Anyway, that's what I was going to say, really. I'm going to go home now and do stuff. Oh, I've got an online meeting tonight anyway for Co-Club and Coder Dojo and all that. Anyway, that's enough for me for today. Sneaky Linux out. I suppose. Bye bye.